wako hapo, please subscribe so that nikiweka content yote unaona, kitu yote nikiweka hapo unaona, because you are my person. I love you so much. Right? Where are you? Where do you watch me from? By the way, you see when ndiye mdozi wangu, ni content ya aina gani unaweza penda nikuletee? And every time unataka nikufanyie aje, nifanye aje? Yani ni content ya aina gani? Kwanza today nataka kukuambia you are my person, you are my friend, and I would want to help you. I did psychology, I did counseling, and I've done mediation, and for that reason I now have the authority and I can be able to help you. Nataka kukusaidia in this dimension. I want to encourage you in that problem that you're having, in case there is. And of course, hakuna mtu anakosanga shida.